A national police operation targeting properties belonging to businessman Calvin Matibedi is currently underway. This has taken place in 4 provinces, including KwaZulu-Natal, the Free State, Limpopo, and Gauteng.
Well, I just want to say ziyakhala ke manje. Calvin Matibela apparently, allegedly, is going to a Bongweni prison. Like, seriously, ziyakhala when they say ziyalila ziyakhala right now. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Controversial Podcast. In today's episode, I want us to talk about Calvin Matibeli, the so-called businessman from KwaZulu-Natal who insulted the general, the top cop of KwaZulu-Natal, Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi. He called him a murderer. Not only that, he said he's an ice boy. He's being used by taxi owners and private sectors. You know, he was just insulting General Ndledla Mkhwanazi. Before we can get into that, it's been reported that the police are busy raiding his properties and it's bad. The guy can go to jail at any moment. Last month, he was busy going to the media saying that the general is corrupt, he's after him, he's abusing his power. He even went to Newsroom Africa and insulted General Ndledla Mkhwanazi. Absolutely for no reason. He also wrote a letter on his Facebook account calling Mkhwanazi an ice boy. He said he's captured by private sectors. He kills people for a living. He's not a policeman. According to him, he's just a criminal. And General Mkhwanazi said, "What? Not under my watch. I'm taking you to court. Who the hell are you? You know, I will deal with you accordingly." He hired a very good lawyer, by the way, Advocate Moses Kakane. That guy is brilliant. And guess what? Ndledla Mkhwanazi won that case. So this guy, Calvin Matibeli, who's been receiving tenders just because he's an ANC member. So they went to court. Mkhwanazi won that case. And as a result, Calvin Matibeli was told to apologize for making false accusations to General Ndledla Mkhwanazi. Judge Hlatswayo said you must just apologize to the general and retract that statement that you have made on social media. He didn't want to do that. He was like, I'm going to appeal this judgment. He still hasn't apologized to General Ndledla Mkhwanazi. And today it was reported that police are after him. They're busy raiding his properties like it's nobody's business. And apparently search warrants were secured earlier this week. And investigators are busy seizing documents and other materials believed to be relevant to the probe into irregularities in government tenders. So this guy is just going down and it's not looking good. Like, honestly, why would you fight with the top cop? Why would you fight with General Ndledla Mkhwanazi knowing exactly that you are not clean? Why would you do that? The authorities have also stated that the operation is focused strictly on gathering evidence related to tender fraud. Mkhwanazi is not playing with criminals. You need to understand that General Ndledla Mkhwanazi is not afraid of criminals, whether you can be a top criminal or whatsoever, you can be a gang member. He is not scared of you for the fact that he made explosive allegations about organized crime on the 6th of July 2025. Remember that press briefing that was very brief. You know, he has called out the suspended minister of SAPS, Senzo Mchunu, who is no longer a minister. Apparently, he's working for Underworld, talking about drugs, you name it, you know. That's why he disbanded the PKCC. Those are the allegations. And Mkhunu is going down, shame. Things are not looking good. Even his friend Sibia, Shadrach Sibia, is going down. Things are not looking good for that guy, shame. General Ndledla Mkhwanazi is just cleaning the SAPS. Not only the SAPS, he has exposed the judiciary. He has exposed the judges, the prosecutors who are working with drug cartels. So it's not looking good. And this one is also going down. Talking about Calvin Matibeli. I don't know why he started this fight. And it seems like General Mkonazi said, you know what, I'm going to finish this fight. We'll see who's going to end up in jail. So yeah, let me know in the comment section. Share your views on this one. Let us be respectful in the comment section. Whether you agree with me or disagree with me, please like this video, share it, and subscribe. Bye. See you on the next episode.